Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome back to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of multiple choice question part 3. I am repeating, today our topic is multiple choice question part 3. Students, this is our 23rd lecture. I'm repeating, this is our 23rd lecture. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about multiple choice question part 3. You have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Students, today we'll start from question number 39. The question is, up to what age the need for energy is boys and girls remain the same? Options are 5 years, 7 years, 9 years, 10 years. Can you guess which one will be correct here? Option C, 9 years is our correct answer. Now, question number 40. Which natural element is needed more during adolescence? Given options are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin. Here, our correct answer will be option B, protein. So we have to put tick mark on option B. Now, number 41. How many stages does the food pyramid have? Our options are 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here, correct answer is option B. That means 5. There are 5 stages of food pyramid. Number 42. Which of the following is the fiber used in making socks? Options are polyester, nylon, cotton, flax. Can you guess which one will be correct answer of number 42? It will be option B, nylon. Now, 43. How many types of textile fibers are there according to their sources? Options are 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, and 5 types. And the correct answer will be option A, 2 types. Number 44. Flax fiber is produced from which part of the tree? Options are bark, leaf, stem, fruit. So here the correct answer is option C, stem. Now question number 45. How long can corpus fiber be? Given options are 1.3 to 7.5 centimeter, 1.27 to 6.35 centimeter, 2.5 to 8.5 centimeter, 3.25 to 8.25 centimeter. And the correct answer will be option B, 1.27 to 6.35 centimeter. Number 46. Which has the longest fiber among the following natural fibers? Given options are cotton, silk, flax, fur. The answer will be option B, silk. Now, question number 47. Which is a natural fiber? Options are nylon, rayon, venon, flax. And I hope you can guess the correct answer. The answer will be option D, flax. Question number 48. What is the fiber suitable for cloth called? Options are garments, cloths, weaving fiber, seed fiber. Can you guess which one will be correct? Yes, option C, weaving fiber is our correct answer. Now come to question number 49. How many types of natural fiber are there? Our options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the answer will be option D, 4. There are 4 types of natural fibers. Question number 50. Which part of the corpus tree is cotton fiber? Options are bark, outer side of the seed, inner side of a leaf, upper side of stem. So here, the correct answer will be option B, outer side of the seed. Question number 51. In how many groups can cloth care be divided? Given options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you guess which one will be correct here? The correct option is here, option C. That means 3. It will be correct answer. Now, read the passage below and answer to the question number 52 and 53. Lisa repairs her shoes and bags when needed. After that, she cleans them, irons them, and puts them in their proper place. Now come to question number 52. What kind of care of clothes is mentioned in the passage above? Options are daily care, weekly care, seasonal care, quarterly care. So, which one will be correct here? It's option B, weekly care. Now, question number 53. What kind of arrangement can be kept while taking care of clothes? Given options are listening to music, watching TV, drawing, chatting. So, here the answer will be listening to music. Question number 54. When should clothes be kept properly? Options are before washing, after wearing, in any time. And the correct answer will be option B, after washing. Question number 55. What kind of clothes should be washed in warm water? Options are silk and fur, cotton and fur, cotton and linen and nylon. And here our correct answer is option C, cotton and linen. Question number 56. What can be used in making white cloths more bright? Given options are starch, soap, detergent, glue. So here the correct answer is option D, blue. Question number 57. When expensive clothes are kept carelessly, the color fades, longevity decreases, they become unusable. Okay, which one of the following is correct? Options are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer of question number 57 will be option B, 2 and 3. Question number 58. Which stitch is used to sew the bottom part of the frock? Given options are round stitch, hemline, back stitch, patching. Here our correct answer will be option B, hemline. 59. Which stitch should be removed after sewing final? Options are round stitch, patch stitch, back stitch, hem stitch. And the correct answer will be option B, patch stitch. Question number 60. For Shikha, which stitch is usually used? Here the options are back stitch, patch stitch, round stitch, and hem stitch. So students, can you guess which one will be correct here? Yes, option C. That means round stitch for Shikha. Question number 61. Which part of cloth is made separately and then joined? Our options are collar, body's front part, body's back part, slide. Here the answer is option A, collar. Question number 62. Which equipment is being used to take measurement of the body? Given options are tracking wheel, seam ripper, measuring tape, tailoring chalk. And the answer will be option C, measuring tape. Question number 63. What is the main instrument among those used in sewing? Options are gauge, scale, sewing machine, chalk. And here the correct answer will be option C, sewing machine. Now students, read the following paragraph and answer the question 64 and 65. Betty makes clothes for her children. While making dress before final sewing, she uses another stitch. Now question number 64, which stitch should Betty use? Options are run stitch, patching, hemline, chain stitch. And the correct answer will be option B, patching. Question number 65, Betty uses different stitches while sewing. To determine the measurement of the cloth to make the dress attractive to save money. Which answer is correct among the following answers? Options are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. And the answer will be option A. That means 1 and 2. Students, that's for multiple choice question part 3. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.